Hey guys, today is a very special day because right now we're in the Nurburgring parking lot. We're going to spend all day here. I have no idea what the plan is. The only plan so far is we're going in an M5 CS ring taxi. Kind of, you know, to just go full out around the ring, and then we're just going to hang around, see what we find, see the cool cars here. There's like more track cars, sports cars than I've ever seen anywhere in my life in one place. So yeah, right now we're just walking through the lot already, you know. We have a GT4RS here. We have like these cool Renault Megane RSs, R33, just every type of car you can possibly imagine, like, is here. Like, we might see hypercars, we might see test cars, we might see mules, we might see crashes, who knows. Like, there's like some crazy GT3 running over there. I'm not even sure it's a GT3RS track car, like an RSR or something, or if that's a road car. Oh, here, GT4, M3, like everything here is a special car. AMG GTR Pro. And literally another one right there. You can see 1, 2.
Yeah, and you're here for holiday vacation?
Yeah, for 10 days.
Yeah, for European delivery.
Wow, nice.
MR GT4RS. That was like the lap record car here for a little bit. But also 997 GT3. Crazy stuff around here. Let's go. So 992 turbo, but here we have a GT3RS 992. That's awesome. Awesome spec. I love the white with the slate slide accents. Very cool. R8. Just everything drives in here. It's crazy the amount of cars here. GT3 991.2. Just look at the traffic rolling in. F4, R8, GT4, another GT4, another 911. Like the amount of crazy cars that just come through here is unbelievable. AMG GTR. When you go full out, you got a KTM crossbow with a windshield. I've never seen one. Look at the door slash window. GT3, great car. The one thing I've noticed is it's mostly Porsches, as you can see, BMWs, those type of stuff. There's not a lot of Ferraris and Lambos and stuff here, but maybe that's going to change throughout the day. Now, this is a car that belongs on the ring. The GT2RS MR, like the fastest car here probably, was the fastest car on the ring for a long time. Like, I think it's like a 6 minute something ring time, faster than 918. Crazy. So it's the same power, but crazy aero, crazy brakes, suspension, all that. I don't even know what this thing is, but it definitely belongs here. Okay, so Jason's been doing some laps, and now we're gonna hop in passenger in the GT4RS with him, and let's go on the track. Let's go. Let's go. Race car driver Jason. Oh. Okay, can you overtake a Hyundai?
Well, that Hyundai looks pretty tracked out.
Well, you have a GT4RS, so I would be very disappointed if you don't. They're fixing the walls, right?
There was a G80 M3 that crashed. Oh. Somewhere here.
Over the support car's an RS5, it's not even an A5.
Okay, now we are back.
Let's go. This is the toughest corner in Gran Turismo for me.
Straight into the ground.
Yeah, every time. In an RS, letting a GT4 pass you. Wing riser's at 100 horsepower, right?
PTS though.
Oh, PTS, yeah. This is the first time I've been thinking that these buckets are not buckety enough.
Really?
Yeah, I'm still moving around. Oh. Best part.
Pretty slow, actually.
But still, bingo. Oh yeah. Holy shit, that's a lot of spectators.
Yeah.
Is that where everybody crashes?
Yeah. Here we go. All the kinks, all the S's.
Oh, right there? Ready, jump.
Yeah, right from here.
Whoa!
You like that? There was a yellow flag here the whole time until now.
Speed limit, right?
130 speed limit, and then you see all those traffic, 2 lanes of
Oh,
cars.
that's all to pit back in?
Yeah, that's all the cars trying to get back into that little loop, you know, where you get in and out.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to sit in that.
So that was our hot lap in the GT4RS. Jason, what do you think of this car on the track?
It's pretty good.
Yeah?
I'm a little rusty though.
Yeah, I think the driver needs some training, and then the car will be pretty good.
It was my 5th lap today, and that was the hardest lap so far.
It was faster than I thought you were going to go. You went a lot harder, a lot better than I thought you would anyway, so we're good. But yeah, fuck. Now we're kind of like stuck in traffic waiting to get off, but that was a hard lap. And Jason's going to go back for a hot lap by himself. Oh, nice. Jason, I'm behind you. Gold wheels. Ooh, nice. So Jason's gone, and now my twin is gone. That's awesome. So one thing that does happen a lot on the Nurburgring is accidents. And here we can see a prime example of that with this AMG GTS that definitely did not have a good time on there. Probably hit a wall or something. So it's kind of a risk you got to take when you go on the track. But on the bright side, you can just walk around parking lots, see some cool stuff like this 992 GT3RS. Just a mix of literally everything, GRERS. But yeah, we're gonna go keep exploring. So driving down where all the development centers are, and there's a GT2RS exactly like Jason's. Not bad. 997 GT2RS, one of 500, 620 horsepower. This is the real Widowmaker. So we're outside of MR right now. There's a 997 GT2RS, GT3RS, but 997 GT2RS, 620 horsepower, rear-wheel drive, turbo, like Widowmaker. This car is called the Widowmaker. This is it. This is the scariest car. So we're at the Nurburgring Welcome Center, the huge sign. We got the 2 cars. Pretty cool turnout. Never been here before. I'll probably be back here at some point again, but not a bad day.